If you need a fast little appetizer or some finger foods to take to a gathering, then I have an idea for you. All you need for this recipe is a loaf of French bread. Now what I have is a French baguette, so it's very small. What you would normally want to do is get a loaf of French bread so that your pieces are bigger. You need mayonnaise, and I happen to think that Duke's is the best out there. You need a green onion, some bacon bits, or you can use real bacon. Just fry up some bacon crisp and crumble it, and a fresh tomato. I'm going to wash my tomato. I'm going to slice the tomato about 1/4 of an inch thick. And I'm going to mix in this measuring cup 1 cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to slice this green onion very thinly. I'm going to go ahead and just add the 1 green onion. Now if you like more onion, you can add another green onion. And I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of bacon bits. These are the real bacon pieces. I like to use that instead of the bacon bits. And just stir that up. And I'm going to cut the bread about 1/4 of an inch thick to 1/2, however you like it. Now to put this together, all you have to do is add a little dollop of the mayonnaise mixture. And I'm going to slice, since the bread is so small, I'm going to go ahead and cut the tomatoes in half so they fit better. Add a little sprinkle of salt and pepper, and you have a nice looking little platter. And these things are very tasty. Once you start eating, you won't be able to stop. And this will look very nice, garnished with a few olives and maybe some pickle wedges. That is so good, I could make a meal on it any day. Thanks for stopping by.